Let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a creative person whose work you admire. Present tense,
All right.
please.
So, in this modern era, a lot of people are creative and they are working in their respective fields. But here, I would like to talk about music industry, the Indian music industry. The person who I am going to address is the Indian pop singer. His name is Darshan Rawal. He's a very young, modern, and professional singer. Since he's a public figure, everyone knows him already. But I would like to talk about how did I come to know about him. I watched him on a TV show that was Indian Raw Star. It was being appeared on Sony, and at that time, that actual point that why he made me attracted towards him. He was the first person who performed on that show, showing his independent music, because nobody has done it before. So the creative things that he has done already, when he entered into industry, he was into Hindi music, but later on he shifted his voice into singing for movies, into Telugu movies, and singing for South Indian movies, dubbing. And moreover, the best part is he was also into acting, but that talent was not appeared yet. But later on, he shifted his career to music. At first, he was into music industry, but later on, he shifted himself to, acting, dubbing, and into short films. And the most important point that I think he is creative is he addresses his audience in such a good way that everyone loves him. People are not just fan for his voice, but the way he treats people, the way he treats his audience, and of course the part that he can sing into English, into Hindi, into Telugu, and South Indian as well.
All right, that's fantastic. Overall, very good. You spoke fluently, your accent is good, the choice of words and the sentence structure, everything is fine. Just practice all these topics. You'll be getting very good pen score.
Thank you.
Let's go on. Speaking part 3. How can we make children creative?
I think the family background and the environment in which the brought up of child is happening is very important. Let's say if I am the person who is into educated family, that somehow the impact is more, it's always in a to and fro motion. If a person is if a kid is born into a family, his parents or her parents are not educated, he won't be that creative. He'll be following what his father did or what his mother did, right?
All right. Do you think creativity is inborn quality?
Yes. If you talk about music, if you talk about acting, if any artist in this country or across the country has never learned anything before. Like if he or she was born, he learned stuff when he or she started growing up. So inborn to some extent, but I think we have to lead the pathway across the talent and the journey as well.
All right, fantastic. Thank you so much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test.
Thank
Keep it
you.
up.